I've been quiet for too long.
SafeLite repair, SafeLite replace.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are off to Lawrence. We have to fix a broken windshield. So this windshield needs to be fixed for about 2 months now. I think a rock fell off one of the overpasses, hit the car, and now there's this like long strand of glass that needs to be repaired. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. Today it's gonna be a nice morning at the SafeLite workshop. Ooh, tractor. Anyways, let's listen to some SafeLite infomercials and see what we can find.
SafeLite Auto Glass, we know that when you're spending time with the grandkids, every minute counts. And you don't have time for a cracked windshield. That's why at SafeLite, we'll show you exactly when we'll be there with a replacement you can trust. Hold on, sir.
Looks great.
Thanks for choosing SafeLite.
Thank you.
Bye. Saving you time so you can keep saving the world.
SafeLite repair, SafeLite replace.
SafeLite, we know how busy life can be. These kids were headed to their first dance recital when their windshield got cracked, but they couldn't miss the show. So Dad went to the new SafeLite.com, and in just a few clicks, he scheduled a replacement before the girls even took the stage. SafeLite.com is the fast, easy way to schedule service anywhere in America, so you don't have to miss a thing. Hey, y'all did wonderful. That's another SafeLite advantage.
SafeLite repair, SafeLite replace.
Thank you for listening to these annoying infomercials, but now we have arrived at Giant Glass, a SafeLite owned company. Ooh, fire truck. Let's spend the next hour in the office. SafeLite repairs, SafeLite replace. They just put our car in for the glass fixing. We are free to go in, have coffee, watch TV, and all that. I feel safe in here. I feel safe in here. You could. I like it in here though. I'll take turns on it. Why am I even filming a doorbell? They're out there. Oh, they're cleaning the windows right now. I think they're trying to take your sensing out, the thing that tells you if you're braking or not. Yep, they took your mirror out. Yep, they're taking apart everything right there. Wow. There's just something dangling from your window. Do not get coffee here. There are ants in the ant just climbed in the coffee machine. Don't get coffee here. Someone left their coffee in here, like, really? Great job. She is still cleaning the windows. There it goes again in the coffee machine. And it got stuck. Oh, it's in. They're taking out your windshield wipers, I see. Yep, that's what they're doing.
Some people with their shirts are just all cloth.
Yeah. They're poising on. Yeah, they're poising on the suction cups. They're poising on the suction cups really well. Very well.
He's breaking the seam here, I think.
Yeah. He has some rope. Applying pressure to the suction cups currently. Fun. I really cannot explain what that vacuum's for. The windshield's out, but I didn't even see them take it out. I must have looked at the TV for a second and it was gone. New windshield's right there. There. Where can I point? There. Cleaning the car. That's a bonus. I thought they were just gonna replace the windshield, but I guess they're not. They're doing the entire car. Applying the glue. That glue gun though. That huge glue gun. It's massive. And the glass is on.
SafeLite repair, SafeLite replace.
New glass, no cracks at all. Yay.
Has that new
SafeLite
trash smell?
repair, SafeLite
Does it?
replace.
That's nice. I'll take a break from my voice and leave you with the ride home. I feel like I'm in Mexico right now. YMCA. Thank you for watching the vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Funny boy. To everyone, SafeLite is a good way to replace your windshield. The commercials do not lie. The place I went to, a little sketchy, but at least they got the job done for $650. Have a great Saturday, a great rest of your weekend. Comedy Sunday tomorrow, and I'll be back on Monday. Alright, everybody, have a nice day. Goodbye.
SafeLite repair, SafeLite replace.